Purpose of this video is to show how you would download and begin the installation of Autodesk-based software such as AutoCAD or Revit. So the first thing you can do is you could either Google Autodesk Student Download or something similar to that, or you go and open your preferred browser, type in www.autodesk.com. So this is the main page. Autodesk sells many different programs covering many different disciplines. If you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you're going to see at our page here, there is a link right here. It says free software for students. If you click on that, it takes you to their education community page. So what you can do, either pick AutoCAD or Revit or Inventor Professional if that's the program that you're currently interested in. So if I pick AutoCAD, it's going to ask you to sign in. So if you do not have an Autodesk account already, you'll need to create an account. It is advised you use your nscc.ca email address because this is all registered to an educational community, but my understanding is it doesn't have to be nscc.ca. It could be your personal email address. So I'm going to select sign in. I already have an account, so and it's autofills. So I'm going to click next to my email address. I already have my password autofilled, so I can click sign in, and now I'm signed in. So now what you'll need to do is select download now, and you have to answer a few questions. So the first one is license type. If you click on that, it says, it gives you three options, and we just want the first one, personal or individual use. Then version. Now, when you click on version, you get last 4 versions of the software. In the 2018-2019 academic year, we're using 2018, so it's best that you download that. If you download 2019, there are going to be some differences in the way the software looks, behaves, etc., etc. So I'm going to pick 2018. Operating system, Windows 32 or Windows 64-bit. Most computers these days are 64-bit. And then language, you would pick English. So this information right here, is a serial number and product key. That's going to be important later when you go to start your AutoCAD the first time after it's been installed. But don't worry, an email has automatically been sent to your email address, which gives us information as well. Here you'll see it says install now, and I'm going to expand this just to explain a few things. Install now will begin the downloading of the software that will begin installation before it's entirely downloaded. Download now will download all the necessary files onto your computer before the installation starts. It's going to take a little longer, but then you've got a copy of the software, the install files for the software available, right away. So that's the one I choose usually because I find install now doesn't work on my particular computer all the time. So I'm going to click download now. And what will happen is on your computer, it will ask you to install the Autodesk Download Manager. You can see it up here. I've already got it installed. That's a safe install, and it's used to manage the downloading of the software, no matter which of the Autodesk programs you install. And this is the default folder that it uses to install the files. If you click OK, it will create that folder on your computer and begin downloading. And it's just a matter of waiting. It's 5.19 gigabytes. It's going to take a little while, but once it is finished downloading, then you will be able to install it. As a matter of fact, the install button, as you can see here from my Inventor 2017, is there. So that button will appear right here. and we're good to go. So that's as far as we're going to take it with this video. If you have any specific questions, you can email me at kirby.raycraft@nscc.ca.